Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Android or Google Nexus 5 how to make a video call. It's very easy. You don't need a third party or you don't need a extra application. Just a simple video call. All you have to do is just call one of your friend, for example, search your friend and just make a call. So and also you can use another a application if you want it, like a Google. You can use a Google chat to make a video call and without extra app outside the Google application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.